Hey everyone, for urban commuters in search of a lightweight, technologically advanced and stylish ride, the Engwe MAPFour N1 Pro presents an attractive option in the electric bike market. A carbon fiber frame, a mid-drive motor, and an anti-theft system are among its notable features, all of which enhance its attractiveness as a contemporary e-bike. While the specifications and design are commendable, its actual performance and practicality must be assessed to see if it meets expectations. The construction features a notable carbon fiber frame, providing a lightweight design that weighs approximately 19 kilograms. The mid-drive motor, utilizing an Ananda M1000 unit, provides a torque of 180 Newton meters. The motor is optimized for urban settings, offering smooth support up to the EU-regulated limit of 25 kilometers per hour. However, with some effort, riders can push it to sustain speeds exceeding 30 kilometers per hour. Another important factor is the bike's range. With its 360 watt-hour battery, Engwe claims range of up to 100 kilometers on a single charge, but this is an optimistic estimate that varies greatly based on riding style and terrain. Realistically, most riders can expect a distance of 50 to 60 kilometers, which is still quite respectable for city commuting. Battery can be easily removed and fits perfectly within frame, keeping the bike's sleek appearance intact. With standard 2-ampere charger, charging times are reasonable, but for those who upgrade to an 8-ampere charger, the charging time is cut down to a mere 9 minutes. This is a considerable benefit for people who are frequently on the move. The MAPFour N1 Pro excels in design and build quality. The bike features a frame designed with an innovative look that draws the eye. Its low weight makes it perfect for city riding. While assembly is quite simple, it does not come fully assembled like some higher-end brands. A noteworthy enhancement is the incorporation of a safety lock system, which offers added security by locking the rear wheel and activating an alarm in the event of interference. Another aspect in which the MAPFour N1 Pro excels is comfort. Although it has no suspension, the natural flex of the carbon fiber frame absorbs small bumps, resulting in a surprisingly smooth ride on city streets and light gravel paths. The hydraulic disc brakes ensure dependable stopping force, while the 700C tires strike a favorable balance between speed and stability. The bike's technical attributes are of varying quality. The smartphone app offers additional features such as GPS tracking and geofencing, while the integrated display is functional and provides essential ride data. The app pairing procedure can be tedious, and the overall user experience is not as refined as that of some competitors. The MAPFour N1 Pro is difficult to surpass regarding value. It provides a carbon fiber frame, mid-drive motor, and numerous modern features that are uncommon at this price point for less than $2,000. Nonetheless, the 1-year frame warranty may cause some buyers to hesitate, particularly considering the high-quality materials used. So Engwe MAPFour N1 Pro is a commendable option for city commuters in search of chic, high-tech e-bike that doesn't weigh much. Despite its limitations, it is a strong contender in the sub-$2,000 e-bike market due to its performance, design, and affordability. If Engwe tackles the warranty and component quality issues, this bike could easily become an obvious choice for city riders. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was interesting for you. Have a nice day, and God bless you.